Hey, how's it going? Forever Living Canada. If you're looking for Forever Living Canada training videos online, I want to let you know that you came to the right place, because you want to stick to the end of the video, pay close attention, because what I'm going to give you can change your life. My name is Patrick Mitswin, coming to you out of beautiful Alberta, Canada. And quick story, I joined network marketing about 5 years ago, and for the most part of it has been really stressful, frustrating, falling on my face, failure. And I did everything they told me to do, right? I did home parties, cold calls, three-way calls, write a list of the names of everyone I know and start prospecting them, start doing, pitching my business, sharing my opportunity. I was hungry. I did everything, man. And basically I fell flat on my face and I was about to quit, until I went to Google, I went to YouTube, and I did a search on what am I missing, There were people who were successful, there were people who were succeeding, and I wanted to know what they were doing. And I found this course online where this guy, he was 24 years old at the time, and he made like 250,000, something like that. In 4 months, he cracked the code. So I immediately, scrounged up all the money that I had, and I bought this training. And what I learned was basically how to find customers, how to find leads, how to get people to come and chase you down, basically, and want to join now, want to take action, want to pull out their credit card and just buy, right? So I went into the training, and we just moved to northern Alberta, in my mom's house, and I think my girlfriend, Marissa, she went to work, and I stayed up all night implementing the strategies. And when she came back from her 8-hour shift, here's what happened. I greeted her at the door, and I was wearing the same clothes as I was yesterday, and this is like a 24-hour period. Or a 12-hour period, something like that. I had no sleep at all. And I went up to her and I said, "Babe, we're gonna be rich. I just generated my first lead online." It was funny because that was the turning point in my network marketing career. Since then, I generated over 8,000 leads. Recruited over 130 people, made thousands of dollars with my business. We travel all over the world, we have fun, and now I want to help people. I know and believe that the more you give of yourself, the more love you just give, and the more you help people succeed, the more you attract in your life, the more abundance, the more everything. So here's what I did for you. I put together training videos for your Forever Living Canada business, showing you exactly how to get traffic, how to get leads, and how to make sales, basically without doing home parties, without chasing people down, without bothering friends and family. And this is gonna help you get more customers, get more people to take action. So if you want this training, all you gotta do is click on the link below. It's gonna take you to my website, and you gotta tell me where you want this training, and I'll send it to you absolutely free. You get it all the training videos at step 1 to step 5, and by the end of it, you can be able to be generating hundreds of leads every single month that come to you and want to join your business. So click on the link below. It'll take you to my website. You get this training absolutely free, and we'll see you there. Peace.